quick video. I've got up early, I need to get out, I need to do some stuff, I need to get busy. Apologise if I look tired, it is the crack of dawn, but I need to do a quick video. I want to talk to you about 7 websites so you can earn money on for free. The intro. Seven websites where you can earn yourself a few extra £100 per month on one of them, or you can do all of them. So let's have a look at Amazon. Amazon is number 1 on the list. So Amazon Associates, affiliate marketing. You provide a link to a product. Someone clicks on that link, they buy that product, you get paid a percentage depending on what price the product is or what type of program you signed up to. So for example, you got big ticket items, TVs, bikes, even cars. And then you would get a percentage of that if someone buys it from a link that you provide them with. So that link can be provided on your social media, your website, anywhere. As long as someone clicks on it and buys something, you get paid for it. And it's all free. Amazon does affiliate marketing. There are loads of other businesses that do affiliate marketing, but I want to concentrate on Amazon because Amazon's huge. Amazon has Amazon Associates, so we're on that page now. So consult the page, Amazon Associates, do a Google search on the Amazon affiliate, and then it will provide a link to affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates. We'll have a look at Learn More, program overview. So it gives you an overview on what they provide, what they're going to give you as part of it. It's completely free to sign up for. So you sign up, put all your details in, you pick a product, and they will provide you the image and text, or just the text. All you need to do is choose a product you want to sell or get paid for, put it on your social media, get it up there, and then start earning some money. Again, that's free. If you want to learn more about it, I have a more in-depth video about affiliate marketing and about Amazon Associates specifically. Let me know in the comments, but again, it's free. That was number 1. Number 2 on the list of 7, is reading. Yes, reading. I had no idea you could get paid for reading. So there's a website, this one in particular I found is acx.com. ACX pay for reading. So they basically turn anyone's books into audiobooks. People can read well. They've got lots of titles open for auditions. In fact, they've got 1,500 listed here. Loads of producers. They have nearly 100,000 producers. Over 150,000 audiobooks on sale at Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. It's free to sign up for. They have a university to learn how to produce, publish, market great sounding audiobooks. Again, they have all the tools like Amazon to make you successful. Follow the university, follow the instructions, sign up, get picked and synced up with a book to read and start earning money. ACX audiobook company, one I recommend as number 2 on my list. Earn money from reading. Never heard of it before, so it's a great way to earn money. And again, it's free. So next on my list is number 3, Upwork. Upwork is for freelancers, so freelancers can go in there, offer their expertise, get matched to top talent in minutes. There's a whole host of things that you could do on there. You can sign up as a freelancer if you have the skills that fit in any of these categories. Follow the details on what you need to provide, what skills you do. Once you've done that, then I would suggest you sign up and start working straight away. So that's my number 3 on the list. Next on my list is Fiverr. So you may have heard of this. Fiverr, similar to Upwork. If you have any specific skills, what I definitely recommend is getting on there, having a look at the different categories, see if you can fit into any of them. If you could do that, sign up for free. Again, that's good for a couple of £100 or dollars, depending on where you are, per month extra. Next we have FlipUp. Highly recommend FlipUp. This is a platform for buying or selling online business specifically. If you scroll through the website, you've got editor's choice, and you have websites for sales $50,000 up to $250,000. There are several websites from different prices. If we look at one of these editor's choices, let's choose this one. It's $250,000. So if you have $250,000 to spend, then you could buy this. When you sign in, for example, you'll see what the website's about. You should be able to view the website. It should give you a link to it, so at least you can see what you're dealing with. If you have a website or a online business to sell, Flipper is a good place to sell it, advertise it on, and get it sold. Flipper, another site you can earn money on. What do we have next? Shopify. So if you guys know anything about Shopify or Shopify stores, Shopify have an option in there where you can add apps to your store that do various different things. One of those apps you can add is Exchange Marketplace. Exchange Marketplace is an area for you to sell your website, but this is specifically for Shopify stores. They give you a valuation on how much they believe the website is worth, and you can advertise that on Exchange Marketplace. You can also advertise it on Flipper. You can advertise it on both. Exchange Marketplace is just for Shopify. The good thing about the Exchange Marketplace and Shopify stores, because it's linked in as an app within Shopify, the stats you get from there are pretty accurate. So for example, if you look at the performance, that data is pulled directly from the Shopify. The link between the two is accurate data. So when you are viewing the average profit, the average sessions, and the average sales revenue, all of that detail, all that data is accurate. You can compare that against other websites or online businesses that are for sale. So Exchange Marketplace, a place to sell your online Shopify store. Number 7, YouTube. YouTube is a massive platform. It is the second largest search platform in the world. If you're just starting out on YouTube, you will not earn any money from YouTube ads until you've reached 1,000 subscribers and you have a specific amount of viewing time. You can still earn it from 0 subscribers because you can incorporate with the affiliate marketing, paid partnerships. You can incorporate it with lots of different things to earn money up until the point that you get to 1,000 subscribers to earn money through YouTube. There's loads and loads and loads of ways you can earn money through YouTube. That is my 7 ways to earn money on websites for free. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found that useful, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos. Enjoy. Peace out.